Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we'll learn how to hide your all Instagram post on your Android device. So for this guys, first you need to open the Instagram app on your device. After opening the bottom right side corner, you can get your profile picture. Just tap on it. And here guys, on the top right side corner here, you can get three lines. Just tap on it. From here, tap on your activity. Okay, and here guys you can get the option photos and videos. Just tap on it, and here you can get the option post reels and video. If you want to hide your all posts from your Instagram, just tap on post, and here you can get your all posts. If you want to hide your post, just select your all post like this. After this guys, just tap on achieve. That's it, the all Instagram post will hide from your profile. So from here guys, you can easily able to hide your all Instagram post on your phone. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.